operate heavy machinery, keep out of the reach of children. 2:30 late for group therapy. Talk about the highs, yeah, it's the black coffee, a cigarette, and the promise of a
My character is Vincent, and Vincent is an addict. I'm angry about my relationships, about how the people are acting in the relationships that I'm with, and the pressure that they're putting on me to leave my addictions. Vincent walks the edge. He likes to have fun, and so there are definitely some fun moments in the show.
when all her friends forget her.
It's a progression of coming from the pleasure of addiction through the fear to the anger, and then to the hopefulness of possibly moving through the addiction and hopefully leaving it and carrying on with life.
But it's a beautiful day at the Southside Medical Center. Just another beautiful day at the Southside Medical Center. Yeah, it's a beautiful day, a beautiful day, a beautiful day, a beautiful day, a beautiful, 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 beautiful day. So won't you be my neighbor?